Hi everybody, thank you for coming back to another episode of Imperfectly Jenny. So this is my second subscription unboxing for the day. I'm currently wearing the jeans from the Diet & Co. subscription box, and they're super comfy. I'm going to wear them all day unless I find something in the Ellie box that I like. Now, if I remember correctly, we'll find out soon, the Ellie box was workout gear, so I can start my HIIT training and running. I'm doing a 5K. Last time I did a 5K, it was like probably 50 pounds smaller, but it doesn't matter. Girls can run. All right, so here's the box. It's a beautiful rose gold. If I keep everything, I'm probably going to keep the box. I like it. Okay. Yes. So, if I remember correctly, these are workout clothing. This should be workout clothing. Oh, look at that. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is not a subscription box. I bought this stuff, so I really hope it fits. So there's a water bottle. I don't know what that is. It says Stone, Ellie June something, an Amanda Capri. Oh, that'll be interesting. Freedom singlet and a seamless molded cup top. And it looks like there's some extras in here. What do we have? Oh, okay. So Wolo, it's a protein bar. Protein Wander bar, WANDER bar. This is Cocoa Crunch. And this is Mint Chocolate Chip. So it's a protein bar with fiber to aid digestion, antioxidants for immunity. It has 15 grams of protein. It has a silky protein frosting with less than 6 grams of sugar, and it's soy and gluten free, which is good. I can't have gluten. Interesting. So this is like a sample snack from Wolo. Oh, I'm guessing this is probably the water bottle. Okay, so I saw this company on Facebook, and I fell in love with this water bottle. I currently use this water bottle. I mean, it's not a water bottle. It's a cup with a hard plastic straw it's all reusable, dishwasher safe, whatever. It's a 2-layer 30-ounce tumbler cup. But I saw this on Facebook, and it's beautiful. It's a champagne color, and it says Ellie on it, and it's just a metal water bottle. So I can put ice from my ice machine. I have one of those countertop ice machines because we don't have an ice maker in the freezer. So I can put my little teeny ice cubes in here, and it has like a rubber seal, and it screws tight, and I can take this running with me. There's liquid in here. I can hear it. There's also one of these packets. Yeah. I tried, okay, that's another video, but I tried something with this stuff once. Nothing happened. Okay, there's no liquid in here. It was just that bag. So I'm totally in love with this color. This champagne color is going to go really good with my Christmas color this year. Another video. Okay. Oh, Lord have mercy. Okay, so the box is really cute. Let me show you the box. It says, "We're in this together," and something about self-love is the best love, or something. Is that what I read? Yes, self-love is the best love. That's so cute. Okay. I'm totally keeping that box. I love that box. I can put craft stuff in there. Crafting. Okay. So, I don't know if the stuff is going to fit. I really hope it fits. Oh yeah, I'm totally gonna try that trick again. Oh no, I'm not. This is calcium chloride. Never mind. Okay, so these are the leggings, these are the capris. Wow, I don't know if these are gonna fit. These look so tiny. And they don't really stretch a lot. The waist doesn't, but this part does. Here's the back. It has a cute little design. They're maroon or burgundy. They have that mesh on the bottom. Let me see if I can show you here. Mesh stripes on the bottom, which is kind of cute. Next item is a sports bra. Okay. A girl always needs a good sports bra. Man, why am I so froggy? I think I need more protein shake. Ooh, this is a nice one, actually. Okay, so this has a cross back. Like this. And it's super stretchy. But it has a thick band, so it's not going to cut in. It's not underwire. It does have a molded cup. It says wire-free molded cup. And it's by Marika. It's for low-impact sports, so I definitely cannot wear this while I'm running or doing my HIIT training. Maybe I'll just wear it on a day where I don't want to wear like a regular bra. I don't know. I wanted to wear it for running. I didn't realize it was a low impact sports bra. That's not going to work for these girls. Okay, this is the shirt that I bought to go with it. The tank top. But the weather changed here so quickly into fall weather. I won't have a chance to wear it for running, but I can definitely use it for my HIIT impact or my HIIT training. High impact or high intensity impact training. HIIT, H-I-I-T. I really like the color a lot. It's sheer. It's dry wick. It's by Bally Total Fitness. It should fit me. It'll be tight. Maybe, yeah, it'll be tight for a while, but hopefully I'll get small enough to wear it. Okay, let's try it on. Dang. Okay, this is the workout outfit. Wow, it's really see-through. This will be done in the privacy of my own home and YouTube, apparently. So, here's the leggings. They're super tight and super stretchy and super comfortable, and they super hold in my belly, which is nice. The top is a little tight, but not bad. The sports bra was very difficult to get on. It like rolled up in the back as soon as I got it over my shoulders, and it was like fighting an octopus. It was ridiculous, which is why I'm out of breath. But I like the colors together. I know this thing is popular right now, but it reminds me of the cold shoulder, which isn't my favorite. See, I can't even like suck in my belly really because it already has me all squished in. There we go. Oh, I just lost 10 pounds. Ugh, just gained it back. Just kidding. Anyway, so Ellie, if you need workout clothes, www.ellie.com. Alright, you guys. Take care. God bless. And rejoice in the day God gave you.